Hi, day 30. You made it. The last day. 30 days has passed by with you choosing the ideas that feel right for you for strengthening your mental health. And today is about, as you can hear, music. But today it's not about listening to music. It's about it helps singing a tune. Your favorite tune. Have you ever tried hearing the music that you love and started singing to it? Or maybe you sing by yourself, or maybe you sing in a choir or in church or anywhere else. And you just feel the mood rising. Because when you sing, you breathe also in a conscious way. And this decreases anxiety and stress also. So do feel free to sing your favorite tune. I'm not a good singer, so I won't sing as much, and I do not know so many songs by myself, but I do sing along with my favorite tunes. For example, in Christmas time, I sing Jingle Bells. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. See, I'm laughing already. So do take care, sing your favorite tune, and congratulations of making it this far in the 30-day mental health ideas.